Lihlehliswe icala lowesilisa osolwa ngokubandakanyeka ekubulaweni kukaMethuli wezinhlelo zethelevishini uWarrick Stock obedume ngelika DJ Warras. uDJ Warras wadutshulwa wabulawa ephuma esakhiweni esisenkabeni yedolobha laseGoli iZambezi House mhla ziyi-16 kuZibandlela nyakenye.
Umsolwa okungu-Armindo Phakula odabuka eMozambique noneminyaka engama-25 ubudala ubhekene namacala amathathu nokubalwa kuwo elokuba kulelizwe ngokungemthetho. Usezoba umsolwa wesibili ecaleni lokubulawa kuka-DJ Warras njengoba eboshwe ngoLwesihlanu emjondolo yaseMarathon eGrulini.
The accused is facing the charges of premeditated murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and is also facing contravention of Section 49 of Immigration Act because he's illegal in the country.
Umbuso uveze ukuthi awukaze uyibone incwadi yokuvakasha ipassport yomsolwa.
The state requests this matter to be remanded to the 11th of February for address verification and also legality verification. But at this stage, we have got nothing to verify because there's no passport which has been handed to us or asylum seeker.
Icala lehliselwe umsombuluko ozayo. uDJ Warras wadutshulwa wabulawa ngemuva kokuyohlola isakhiwo esiduniwe enkabeni yedolobha iGoli lapho inkampani yakhe yonogada yayiqashwe khona. Emva kwesikhathi esingaphansi kwesonto kwenzeke lesigameko, kwaboshwa umsolwa wokuqala okunguVictor Majola oneminyaka engama-44 ubudala nongusomatekisi waseSoweto. Yena uzobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyi-10 Muvo kwephezulu.